Stop buying junk flashlights. In 2 minutes I'll show you how to pick a light that actually saves your night, plus a few rock-solid examples to start with. First, the quick short list. Everyday Carry King, compact 1XCR 123A or 1865 through, deep pocket clip, side switch, 1000 plus lumen burst, high CRI option. Best budget, AAA, clicker, 200-500 lumens, rugged clip. Examples, coast, through night. Tactical pick, tail switch, momentary on, knurling, 1/500 plus lumens, tight hotspot. Examples, Streamlight Pro Tac, Phoenix PDTA. Work, utility, magnetic tail, flat base, flood beam, USB-C, IPX7+. Examples, O-Light, Coast, Skill Hunt. Long throw, large reflector, narrow hotspot, 600 plus M. Examples, Phoenix TK, Ace Beam L Series. Around the house, simple AA, big button, low med high. Examples, Maglite ML, Coast G Series. Ultra tiny keychain, USB-C, 100-500 lumen burst, hold for momentary. Examples, Nightcore T Series, Rovion. How to choose in 30 seconds. Battery, 18650, 21700, sure long runtime. AA, sure easy replacements. Lumens versus throw. Lumens, brightness. Candela, reflector, sorrow distance. Beam, flood for indoors. Throw for outdoors, hybrid for EDC, UI, tail switch for gloves, side switch for quick modes, hold for moonlight is great. Durability, IPX7+, and aluminum body, check impact rating. Charging, USB-C over proprietary charging. Color, high CRI, 90, for accurate colors in repairs, first aid. Quick picks. Phoenix, Chach, O-Light for EDC. Streamlight for tactical. Coast Touch, through night for budget. Ace Beam Touch Phoenix for long throw. Don't chase max lumens. Buy the beam and battery that fit your life. Links below. Grab a light, stay safe, and see you in the next one.